Hey guys, my name's Marissa, also known as Homemaking with Marissa on YouTube as well as on Instagram. In today's video, I'm going to be doing the 5-minute cleaning challenge. What you do is pick 5 rooms in your home, set a timer for 5 minutes for each room, and just see how much you can get done. I'm starting off in my bedroom. My goal for this 5 minutes was simply to make my bed and to vacuum the floor. This challenge was it was interesting. I felt like that 5 minutes was going to go by super quick, and in some rooms it did, and I wasn't able to get everything on my list done, but in other rooms I found that I had time left over and was trying to figure out what else I could clean before the timer ran out. This video is also in collaboration with 2 other YouTube moms. The first person is Sheila over at Simply Sheila. She does primarily cleaning motivation. Sheila is a stay-at-home mom to 3 children and posts super motivating videos. I really love watching Sheila. I've collaborated with her in the past, and when you're done watching my video, I would love it if you would go check out her video as well. I am also collaborating on this with Melanie Wickland. She's also someone that I've collaborated with in the past. Melanie is a working mom and shows a lot of different cleaning routines as well as some cooking videos. Both of these ladies will be linked in my description box down below. I would love it if when you're done watching my video, you go show them some love by subscribing to their channels as well. I'm just wrapping up my bedroom by wiping off these tables. In each room, I brought my vacuum and a thing of Lysol wipes so that I wasn't having to run back to pick up cleaning products during the 5-minute timer. Alright, so when I was filming this, I got totally distracted and I was going to just vacuum my room and make my bed, but then I decided when I was on one side of the bed that I would just wipe down the table, and then I decided to water a plant, so of course the timer went off and I'd only vacuumed half the room. So I just decided to finish vacuuming it before moving on to the next room. Next, I'm going to do my kitchen. The only thing that I was hoping to get done was just to unload the dishwasher. I was actually really surprised at how little time it took to unload the dishwasher. I was able to do that, and then you can see that there's some breakfast dishes that are out, so I decided to move on to doing that. And then I found that I just had time left over. So you'll see I start wiping down the front of my dishwasher, I'm wiping down the front of my refrigerator. I didn't really have a great game plan here because I ended up getting through my list way faster than expected and had to just kind of find random things to start cleaning. New to my channel, my name's Marissa. I am a wife and mother to 3 boys and post lifestyle videos here on YouTube. I share cleaning motivation as well as cooking videos, things like meal preps, meal planning, what's for dinner, and grocery hauls. I also periodically share different parenting and financial tips. If this is something that you're interested in and you haven't done so already, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and join my little YouTube community. After I finished the kitchen and the timer went off, I moved on to our dining room. My youngest son had just turned 3, and we weren't able to have a traditional birthday party because of everything that's going on, but I did still want to make the day really special for him, so I bought all of these little decorations off of Amazon for around $30. They all came in a box together. They were all car themed, which is something that he's really interested in. I shared an additional video a couple weeks ago on my channel talking about how we were going to have a birthday party and practice social distancing for our child. We essentially just were decorating the outside of our house and doing a drive-by birthday party. I do list additional details of what we're doing in that video. I will link it in a card above if that's something that you're interested in. Anyway, I wanted to just clean up all of the decorations. So I'm going to go ahead and take all of them down, and then I'm going to vacuum the floor. I was hoping in this timeline that I would be able to get everything cleaned up, the floor vacuumed, and my regular everyday decor put back up. I've been seeing on the news that other states are starting to open back up. I live in Oregon, and there isn't even whispers at this point about them reopening anything in my state. We are still completely locked down. The only thing that's open is essential businesses, and you can do takeout food orders, but they're still not allowed to be groups of larger than 10 people, and all non-essential businesses are closed. I'm wondering if you live in a state that has opened back up, are you going out? Are you going to restaurants? Are you living your life like normal? What's it like? Is it weird? Is it awkward? Does it feel normal? I am just so curious about how this is all going to go when my state opens back up. If you have any insight as to what that feels like, go ahead and comment down below. This is my youngest children's room. My two younger boys are 3 and 6 years old, and they share a bedroom. It is constantly covered in toys. So my only goal in this room was just to pick up the toys and to vacuum the floor. I have a German Shepherd. She will appear multiple times throughout this video, and she sheds like crazy. So vacuuming, pretty much anytime you watch a cleaning video, you're probably going to see me vacuuming, because that's something that I have to do daily, sometimes multiple times a day, to stay on top of dog hair. Our dog groomer is also closed currently, so she's not even able to go in and get these furminating treatments that they do to help take some of her undercoat. The season's changing, so she's shedding even more than normal. The point is, there's hair everywhere, and I am constantly having to vacuum my floor. I was able to get everything done on my list and also wipe down the kids' dresser before the 5-minute timer went off. The final room that I'm going to be cleaning is just my living room. This is where the dog spends the majority of her time, so I wanted to do a really good job of vacuuming the floor as well as vacuuming her dog bed. Now, I will say that my dog absolutely hates the vacuum. Most of the time I put her in the garage when I'm going to do it, but for this video, I forgot. So you're going to see her pacing around like crazy and walking past the camera and making it shake because she hates the sound of the vacuum. So I am focusing on vacuuming, and then I also wanted to just dust the furniture. I am using the Method wood cleaner to dust off my wood furniture. I also use this anytime I'm mopping my floor. I shared in a recent Tidy Up Tuesday video that this is one of my top 10 cleaning products. I use it all the time, and I really like not only how good it cleans my wood furniture and floors, but also the smell. If you found this video helpful, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel and turn on bell notifications so that you don't miss when I upload. Don't forget to go check out Sheila's video as well as Melanie's video. I will have both of them linked in the description box down below. If you haven't done so already, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on the picture on my face on the right side of your screen. I hope that you are all staying happy and healthy. Bye!